Hey guys, so in this video I will talk about why it's so important to use good visuals to keep the listener, to keep the customer to your video. Now every single thing in business, for example, is about the retention and the click-through. So in the YouTube business we have the click-through rate and the attention rate. The retention rate. So these two things they determine how much YouTube is going to push your beat videos, how much the YouTube is going to push your lo-fi videos, any of those videos they're making. For example, I'm making a certain type of video right now, and if I'm not keeping the audience attached to this video, they're not gonna continue watching this video and click off, and then YouTube's not gonna promote this video as much. So guys, it's important to keep your listeners, keep your viewers attached to the video on YouTube or on any platform, for example Spotify, any platform. The more the listener listens to your music, the more he or she gets attached to it. So I'm going to talk about the visual side here in this video, and I'll explain how you can actually use FL Studio, which I have right here, how you can use the Z Game visual editor to create a very, very professional looking video for your beats, for your instrumentals. But guys, before that, I have to make an announcement here. I have a donation page where you can go ahead and donate me anything you want. Guys, if you enjoy the content, please consider making a donation, or you can also help me by allowing ads on my channel, because small creators get hurt when you use ad blockers on their channel. Their only source of income, especially for the small creators, is going to be the ads, right? So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video here. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you one example of a successful channel that's doing this. The channel is called Pacific, and Pacific is one of those biggest channels, I think one of the biggest YouTube beat channels on this platform. I think in terms of quality, in terms of everything else, these guys are actually killing it, and they're definitely getting a ton of sales, ton of views, ton of traction. Okay, now if you look at their design here, they're going to be posting these simple guitar type beats, and they're gonna have some of that guitar music in there, and they're also just posting the similar kind of vibe in their images. When you look at their images, they're gonna be similar, okay, very, very similar, if you can see. So for example, they're posting an 80s type beat, okay. Let's just say they're posting this beat right here. They're posting 80s pop Lanny type beat. Now this one is going to be related to the 80s vibe. So this little sun here, you see neon sun. This guy is sort of like a staple 80s. When you look at it, you think of 80s, right? That's what you think of. So that's what these guys are doing, and they're doing it quite good, and they're reaping the rewards. And this is why I think a lot of you guys need to sort of go ahead and learn from these people, that they're actually putting a ton of their effort in finding good images. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can find some good images, and how you can sort of go ahead and apply some of the effects that these guys are using. For example, if I play this video here, as you can see, some of that VHS effect is being played. And now this is what I'm going to be showing you in FL Studio, how you can actually go ahead and replicate the same thing. Alright guys, so here I am in FL Studio. Now you will need FL Studio for this to work, and if you have any other program in which you can use video editing, all these things, you can go ahead and use that, but in this instance I'm only going to show you about how I do it in FL Studio. So I go into FL Studio, go into the mixer, open up the mixer here, and go to the master, then go to slot 1 and open the Z Game editor. Now this guy, Z Game editor, is going to allow you to create videos for your instrumentals, for all your beats videos, and you can create a pretty good video. I have used it. I actually personally use it I don't use anything else, just but this alone for my beat videos. Now guys, you want to go ahead and download this thing called VHS overlay. Alright guys, so just download this VHS overlay here. The link is provided by this person. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this link, and I'm gonna put that link in the description of this video. Alright, so once you download the VHS, you should go to add content, and you should be able to add the video over from here. Alright, so the next thing is going to be you need a picture as well. So go to this website known as Pexels, and on Pexels you can download royalty-free videos, royalty-free images. And if you're making lo-fi beats just like I am, go ahead and search for something that's related to lo-fi and just download a video. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this video here, and I have searched for fire. Okay, and I searched for fire, and I like this video, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this one and add it to my to the FL Studio. Alright guys, so once you go ahead and download both of the files, you need to go ahead and add the videos, and go to add videos and just select wherever you downloaded the videos. Go ahead and select them, and once you selected these two videos, go to main section here, and now go ahead and select the image from the from image effects. Go ahead and select image, and for the first image source, we're going to go ahead and select the video. So this is going to be the video here. Now this video is too fast. I'm going to go ahead and go to settings, not settings. We're going to go ahead and go to add content and sync video with the song position. Once you click that, it's going to sync the video with the music. We're going to add the music in just a second, but before that, let's just go ahead and click on the plus icon and go ahead and add another image. Okay, now this image, we're going to go ahead and add the old film grain. That's what we're going to add here, and we're going to use we're going to just make sure this is covered up through the whole screen. So this is quite small right now, and we're going to go ahead and increase the width. Right, go ahead and do that, and this should be able to let's just go ahead and play this. Alright, so it's playing quite well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the pre-alpha mode and select this over here. Alright, and now just go ahead and reduce, just select the pre-alpha mode, and then go ahead and reduce the alpha increase the alpha knob here, button. Just increase this guy here, and now when you play this, it's going to add some of that effect. Alright, now you can go ahead and if this is being too much, go ahead and remove the pre-alpha mode from this one. Just put the pre-alpha mode to the first one. Okay, so the first one is going to be this, and now if you reduce the alpha, you can see that the effect is quite there right now. Okay, just go ahead and reduce the quality. Okay, so now the effect is over here, and it's playing the video. Okay, right, so now our video is being played. It's quite good. It's looking good right now. Alright guys, so now I ended up making some of the changes here, and now I have added some of the music to this video. So now it's gonna react to the music, and if you just play right now, sometimes it might get glitchy or whatever. You just don't want to pay too much attention to that. Right, when you're gonna export this video, it's gonna be in better quality. Okay, so now this asks the question how you can export this video. So now go ahead and click the export button here you will be able to just be able to sort of see where you want to export this video. Now go ahead and just select wherever you want to put it, and I will select the YouTube HD preset, and everything else I'm going to keep the same. If you are going to be putting it somewhere else, let's say you're putting on TikTok or Facebook, right, just go ahead and select that one. If you're making a 4K video, just go ahead and select the 4K. I don't recommend 4K, but guys, go ahead and do it if you want to. All right, so when you click on OK, here you're going to see it's going to open up the rendering box, and here you can just start the rendering. Alright guys, so this is going to be it for this video, and I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I will be making a very good video, a very cool video actually. That's going to be a tag video, so I'm going to tell you how you can use tags to just low competition tags that are going to be hot in 2022. Not only the ones that are hot right now, but I think that the ones that I'm going to be sort of analyzing and seeing which ones are going to be having a more sort of impact in 2022. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here, and make sure you hit the bell notification, because whenever I post my videos, you can go ahead and watch them first. Okay. All right, so that's gonna be it, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care.